Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2016 on a 66 plate Seat Ibiza FR. This is the 1.2 turbocharged petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in ice silver metallic, and it's covered just 37,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this very good looking FR Ibiza. We really like our Ibizas here at Bowen's. Just think they're a much better value version of a Polo, obviously all the same running gear as the Volkswagens. They look nicer in my opinion, and you do get a saving financially as well. This is a very nice example. November 2016 registered, 37,000 miles, 2 former keepers. We've got these really nice 16-inch silver alloy wheels that are in fantastic condition for the age of the vehicle. Really good service history right the way through its life. 7 recorded services, all carried out at the Seat main dealer, so it's been properly well looked after. It's the 1.2 turbocharged petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox, 110 brake horsepower, so it goes very nicely. It is just £35 a year to tax, so a cheap road tax model. Over 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run according to the main dealer, or the manufacturer should I say as well. So very economical, sensible insurance group. You've got that 5-door practicality, and looks a really classy car with the silver on silver. So as we have a look inside, really nice and clean and tidy again. You've got the black seats with the red stitching. Bolsters are all in good shape, no rips or tears or any nasties. Remote central locking, it does come supplied with 2 remote keys. Door cards are in good condition, electric front windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. Automatic lights. Up onto the steering wheel, which is in really good shape. You've got a nice cut-off steering wheel with the FR embossed into it. You've got controls for your trip computer. You've got your Bluetooth and your radio controls. That's your mileage, 37892. Cruise control. So it's really well appointed for what's an 8-year-old car now. Manual handbrake again with the stitching, and on the gear gaiter as well. 6-speed manual gearbox. Down below we've got a 12-volt socket, USB and auxiliary with another couple of cup holders. In the glove box we've got your locking wheel nut key and also all your handbooks. And then a really nice straightforward, easy to use setup. We've got air conditioning at the top. Radio, FM, AM, digital, DAB radio. You've got Bluetooth for your telephone as well. Really straightforward, nice, easy to use setup. Just a nice place to be. Sorry, just fell out the car. Into the rear, plenty of legroom. It's getting very dark now. 3 seat belts, should I say, but 2 headrests. So it is a 5-seater. You've got the ISOFIX for the child seats again, nice and clean and tidy. Very good condition throughout. Again, FR on the back bumper. Flip the badge to get into the boot space, and it's a really good sized boot space. Parcel shelf at the top. Split folding rear seats. You've got those twin tailpipes. Really usable. Good sized boot space. Underneath, the luxury these days of a spare wheel and all your other bits and bobs. So there we have it, nice car this one. November 2016 registered. Ibiza FR, 6-speed manual gearbox, £35 a year to tax, only 37,000 miles, 7 Seat main dealer services. Ticks a lot of boxes. Finance is available from less than £180 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Cracking example, really good service history, very sensible running costs. This will be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.